welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, and today I'm so excited to tell you that I'm a PopGirl Box Ambassador! Yay! PopGirl Box is a trendy monthly subscription box for girls, and this is the back to school box, so I'm going to share it with you guys. So the first thing in here is a letter for me, but I'm not going to read it to you guys because it's for me. The next two things in here are a super cute pouch and the actual box, so let's get to unboxing. So before we actually open the box, I'm going to start with the pouch, and the first thing in here is some pixie sticks. I really love pixie sticks. The next thing we have in here is this super cute heart squishy that says PopGirl Box on it, and I really like the bright pink on it. The last thing in here, we have a really cute unicorn tattoo. I really like the gold lettering, and it's just so pretty. The pouch itself can make it like a pencil pouch or even a makeup pouch. You can hold anything you would like in here. The box itself is really cute. It says PopGirl Box on the front, and it has their website on the back. So we're going to get to unboxing, and the first thing in here we have a super cute quote that says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." And on the back, we just have everything that's actually in the box. So inside the box, we actually have this is everything, and it looks so bright in there and colorful. So the first thing in here, we have a really cute blue sparkly notebook, and I really like it so much. You can write anything you want in here, and it's so pretty and shimmery. The next thing, we have some highlighters that are actually scented, and they're so bright and colorful. The one I like the most in this pack is definitely the blue one. So the next thing we have are these super cute hair ties. I really like every single pattern, like the stripes and the polka dots. Oh, they're so cute. Next thing we have is this super awesome jumbo ombre eraser. I love ombre so much, so this is perfect for me. We also have a super cute keychain. Look at the pom-pom. So cute. We also have pins. I love pins because I put them on my jackets, on my shirts. I put them on everything. Next, we have some lip gloss in this super cute bag. Next, we have a pencil pouch from Yubi, and it's really cool. I love all the jumbled up things on the back, and I love the mesh in the front. The last thing we got is an ombre pencil, and I love ombre like I said, and this is pastel ombre, so it's so pretty. And that's all we have in the box. I'm so happy to be a part of the PopGirl Box family because they're all about girl empowerment. You can also use the code Jordan to get $5 off your first purchase. I'll link it down in the description. Thank you so much, PopGirl Box, for making me an ambassador, and thank you for sending me all of this great stuff. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I love you!